there is an itch resting in my chest, a humming heart, a sort of drizzle and rattle, and it tickles my throat and taps around my veins, and it does not rest like a dance of pins and needles. And I could not stop the lunging down, the parachute climax and the gravity strings. I could not stop the nature of carriage, the demeanor of wings balancing the push and pull of the metals of the earth. The wind kisses my cheek and greets me hello, and below my stomach is a platform of life. Somewhere there is an empty nest and a branch with no more leaves. Somewhere there my mother lounges, her wings as strong as mine. Up here I am closer to the gush of warmth, the yellow rays and orange clouds, and here the world below is painted by Apollo's hand, and the rivers lace like ribbons around a great green crescent. But somehow the silence overtakes. The leaves quiver in the cold, and the shadows of the trees sweep away the colors of the ground. And I am left mindless, like an unfinished sentence. I wonder where the brightness runs off to. When she goes, the land holds no lust or sorrow, but I shiver in her absence and sink lower every time. If she is telling me to sleep, why would she let me dream of darkness? When she'd come back, my feathers are crumpled. I ask her why she leaves, but she'd never answer. And every time the blackness would creep on me, I'd eat the air seasoned with traces of brightness. Haunting one night, I tried to sing, a draggle of notes just to fill the moment, the silence. Unnoticed, I sing until all the leaves touch the grass, but somewhere there, a little girl wakes up to a distant chirp. Under the burden, I can feel that itch in my chest, the intensity of life and how it scratches more than surface. When brightness leaves, I resign to her solitude. When dawn arrives, I am the first breath of melody.